Hello, my name's Hayley Brown, and today I'm going to be talking to you all about soil health. Now, soil health is one of the most important things when it comes to growing fruits, vegetables and even ornamental plants. So making sure your soil is right for that particular plant is crucial. Some plants like acidity and some plants like alkaline. So I'm going to use this soil tester today to see what my pH is, and then I'm going to rectify my soil. This soil tester can also measure how much light your plants are getting and also how much water is in the soil. So I've put the soil tester into this raised bed, and this is where my blueberries are. So blueberries love acidic soil, along with azaleas and camellias. So my tester here is saying that it's on the alkaline level, which is something that is a big issue for blueberries. So now I'm going to show you how to sort that out. In here I've added some ericaceous compost, which is high in acidity, and that's going to decrease your pH of the soil and make your plants very happy. If you didn't want to use something like an ericaceous compost, you can use some rotted wood chip. Now this is perfect for me because I have a wood chip terrier that I clear out every autumn, bag up and then pop onto things like my blueberries to make the soil acidic, and this is a free way of doing that. The other great thing about using wood chips is it's going to act as a mulch, and then that's going to lock in all of the moisture. You may have noticed that I haven't been mixing the compost in, and that's because I'm going to let the rain do all the work and draw down all those nutrients. If your soil is too acidic, then what we can do is add in some lime. Now this can be added when you plant out your vegetables, or it can be added straight onto the soil and raked in. Ornamental plants don't take up as much nutrients as edible plants, so we need to feed the soil, especially in a vegetable garden. Clay soil can be great because it's got a lot of nutrients in it. However, in the winter it can get really waterlogged and it's hard to break up, which can be problematic. However, sandy soils have the opposite problem. They don't have a lot of nutrients in them and the water just flows straight through, meaning that in the summertime you are constantly watering your plants. To fix both clay soils and sandy soils, the best thing to do is add some organic matter. Now this can be in the form of some well-rotted manure or some homemade compost. Making your own compost not only reduces your household waste, but it's a great way of improving your soil for free. If you can't get hold of either of those, you can use something like this, which is a clay buster. If you did want to grow some vegetables while you're improving the ground, a great one to choose is potatoes because they really help break up the clay soil. Now the one vegetable you do not want to give manure to is carrots and parsnips, your root vegetables. They do not like nutrient-dense soils. So what I do is I use my old compost from my pots from the year before to top up my bed. Thank you for watching everyone, and if you've got any questions about your soil and how you can fix it, please do comment below.